Good afternoon, everyone. We're going to do a real fast video here, just um, on a Monday afternoon, January 31st, 2022. Um, as you can see, I've got a new microphone thing here going on, so maybe you can hear me a little bit better. Um, Hell, I couldn't even hear myself on the damn last couple of videos. So anyway, maybe these are going to work a little bit better now, hopefully. Anyhow, so today I have a neck knife. This is I made these before, a little different patterns, but this is a newer style. I had a customer that wanted a very small knife, and I made it for him. And evidently, he wanted it even smaller than that. So just when I thought I had made the smallest knife I ever made, I wound up making something even smaller. So a little even hard to get a hold of here. So there we go. Um, there it is. Okay, so the blade is only about 2 3/4 of an inch. Yeah, no, I'm sorry, 2.5 inches. About 2 3/4 overall, right to the handle. Um, not very big at all, but it still fits in your hand. Uh, these little paracord knotted lanyard things there. What that does is it gives you a little bit more of a purchase on your finger, and especially when you go to pull the pull it out of the sheath. Grab a hold of that, especially if it's in your pocket. This can go in the pocket too, and it's got a belt loop on it also on the back. See, so and it does. It fits very well on the belt. Anyway, so that helps in pulling it out. Gives you a little bit more to grab a hold of. This is the most compact knife I had ever made, and I don't think I could make anything any smaller than that can still be used. So the concern, of course, too, is that it didn't have enough um, when you go to use it, pressing down on it. So you can see I added jimping on the back there for your thumb. That works pretty good. Not bad at all. Actually feels pretty good. Of course, you can choke up on it and stuff, but for just an everyday carry type of knife, you don't even know it's on your neck really, or in your pocket or on your belt, which was what he wanted in the first place. So okay, here we go. All right, so it's not too bad, you know. Now, neck knives, kind of a strange type of thing with those. I'm not entirely fond of the idea of having. Oops, sorry about that. A sharp ass knife hanging from my neck, ready to be fallen on and stab you if it goes through the sheath. All right. That's not really the case with one of these. I keep, the saddle maker's rivets on there, so there's a point right there, point where to go through, and it's not going to happen. I have a full welt all the way around, and the sheath is form fitted, as you can see. This is wet formed around the knife. Again, I showed that to you before. It's just not going to come out. These are tight, so it's got some retention in there. Anyway, so the danger of falling on it and having it go through the sheath and stabbing you is pretty minimal. I would say not going to happen. So the customer's happy with it, so that's good. These I put an Instagram post up here the other day. I already had tons of people after them, so I don't have a listing for these yet on my site as a custom item. These are going to be a kind of a hit and miss thing. If you want one of these, if you're interested at all, just join my wait list, please, on my site. There's a link on there from the site and here too. And order, just like I said, give me a call and order over the phone. These evidently are going to be quite popular. Thank goodness for all the work I have. About 106 guys on the wait list right now. Pretty far out there in time. Let's see, we have 14 months wait list on the regular site for custom orders. But again, if you're interested, just give me a call or join the wait list, and we'll see what we can figure out. Anyway, if you like what you see here on my YouTube channel, please like and subscribe. I'm going to have more coming up soon. And again, the wait list is there for you to join. Be notified by email of any knives, any up and coming knives. Okay, I guess that's about it. Everybody stay warm out there. It's cold here in Vermont, way down below zero as usual. So we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.